Hello guys, welcome to my channel Raj English Solution. Today I am going to tell you some tips which tips will help you to improve your spoken English. Now we will discuss about that tips. First tips is that reading. Reading is most necessary for spoken English. If you read every day, then you can also be able to speak good English. How? How it is possible? Now I am just going to tell you how the reading is most important for spoken English. While you are reading book or any story, then what will happen? Some sentence you can keep in your mind. So while you will speak, you can use that sentences. So reading is most necessary for spoken English. Second thing is that writing. Why writing is most necessary? Do you know that while we are learning something, if we write it in our notebook, then we can remember all the sentences. So if you write some sentences in your notebook, automatically you can keep some sentence in your mind. So this is the very important point, reading and writing. Every day you should keep practice reading and writing. It will most improve your spoken English. Now we will go to the next point. What is the next point? Next point is that speaking. Speaking is most necessary. You think that how to speak English. So what should we do? Nobody is there. How to speak? So what will you do? At first you just write some sentence. You just try to keep it in your mind. So what will happen? It will easy to make sentences and you can be able to speak. While you are alone in the room or in the garden, if you are alone in the public area, you can speak by yourself. What will happen? If you speak by yourself, then you can be able to speak English. Automatically, your some sentence you can keep in your mind and you by yourself speak whatever sentence you have written, you just speak that sentence. So speaking is most necessary. If you speak every day, you have to speak. You can speak with your friend or you can speak by yourself. I know that first time your friend and other people will criticize you. This is the genuine thing. Everybody will criticize you, but you should not hesitate. If you hesitate, then nobody can help you to improve your spoken English. So the most important thing is that reading, writing, speaking and listening. Listening also most important thing. If you listen every day, you have to listen some story, some movie. So what will happen? If you listen every day, then you can easily keep some sentences in your mind and that will help you to improve your spoken English. This is the main point. So this 4 point is most important. You just try to speak by yourself. You write it down some sentence. Listen, one thing is most important. Whatever I am telling you right now, which sentence you like most, you just write it down in your notebook and when you are getting time, at that time you just speak by yourself. And I will suggest you should watch some subtitle movie. What will happen? Then you will watch the movie and there are some subtitle. You just try to keep that sentence in your mind. And when you are alone, you just speak by yourself. If there is your friend, you can also discuss with your friend. What will happen? If you both discuss in English, then automatically you can keep some sentence in your mind and that will be very easy to improve your spoken English. And I will suggest you, all of my viewers, if you want to speak good English, at least you should watch my tense video. I have already uploaded some tense video. You just watch that video so that you can be able to make some sentences. So I will thank you, all of my viewers. You just watch my tense video, then you can be able to make some sentences. Thank you.